We cannot forget to get the fire extinguisher all set and pretty on the Beamer. My car caught on fire last time, and the fire extinguisher was very easily accessible and it saved me. But this is not the sturdier place to go, so I'm gonna put one here on my bar, and in the future I'm gonna get another bar coming to here, and it's gonna sit right in the middle. But for now, that one goes right in there. So I got this kit here. This is all from Amazon. So what we do here, we assemble this on the bottom, this goes on the bar, this here goes on the top, and when you pull the pin, this comes off. The fire extinguisher goes right in here like this. I'm going to start by the fire extinguisher. I'm going to put this guy in here. There's one bolt on the bottom, and this one is going to tighten this in here. So we're going to do that first, actually. So this seems to be a 4mm. We're going to put this guy in there. There are some grooves here that help this to stay in place. Tighten that. We're going to get another one, hole on the bottom. So with that, it's just like this. Alright, and then we got the other side put in here, and then we see the big grooves, the longer bolts. They're all the same size, same tread and same everything. So we put one there and one on the other side. So I still need to see where it goes, so I don't want to tighten the crap out of it. Alright, so let's try again. This goes this way now, and the pin on that side. So when I'm driving, the only thing I need to do is this, and it is out. See, in and out. In, I don't care much, but out is very important. There you go. So we all can see it's valid. So first it looks good, and second I can unbuckle and do like this, bam, and bam. With one hand I have it ready. And that's it, guys. I just want to make this quick video, show you how it is mounted, how it looks, and quality is very good. All aluminum, and 40 bucks. Anyway, look at the description down here, links are there. I appreciate you watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot more. I have drifting events coming on this car this weekend, so watch out for the next videos. Later.